Today I'm going to review the new Roborock robot aspirator S7. Well, it says that this robot aspirator is the Red Dot winner from 2021, and it also says that it has a suction power of 2500 pascals, which is quite a lot. It also says that it has a carpet detection, and the app looks kind of nifty because you can select the no-go zones, and at the same time, what I love the most about this is that the fact that it has a leader system for guidance, which means that the vacuum cleaner will actually know exactly where to go and where not to go. Inside, we are going to have this charging dock, power cable, some mop cloth, and moisture proof mat. I don't know exactly what that will be for. Probably to be able to put it somewhere and keep it dry when you are going to want to charge it. Yeah, of course it comes with a product manual, with a power cable, and so on. Like I said, 2500 pascal hyperforce suction power. It only has 470 milliliter dust bin size, which is quite small, and a 300 millimeter water tank size. Those two tanks are different and in different places, and of course the LiDAR navigation, which believe me is really good. I already tested it. This is why you don't hear the actual sound of the unbox, because I'm recording the sound afterwards, mainly because I changed my first impressions since I opened the box. When I opened the box, I wasn't really sure about the quality of the product, mainly because the box was really heavy and the actual size of the robot was quite high. Yeah, at least from my point of view. But after I put it up to work, I decided, wow, this is a really great robot aspirator, and it really does a really great job on all the type of the floors that I've put it, like on carpet, on like it's this wooden floor, and so on. There, after testing it, I decided, wow, this is a really good vacuum cleaner. It's really interesting to use. I loved what the app provided as options. I didn't and I will not upload pictures from the app, but I must say that I put him to work in a house with 2 levels, and it did a really good job. Well, so this is the anti-humidity carpet, or whatever you want to say it. It's just to not put it on a wet floor to charge, I guess. That will be the purpose of this mattress. It also has some stickers to maybe put it somewhere to make it stick there for a longer period of time. I didn't put it to use, but if you think that could be useful for you, it's your choice to use it. well, this is the user manual. This it's really good. It has a lot of instructions. It shows you actually how to open and clean up the mop, how to use the app, how to add it to the app. There are a lot of instructions. You just need to read them carefully, and once you are going to do that, you are going to be able to use the robot quite easy. Well, as you already see, beside that you will have this mop that will come with the actual vacuum cleaner, but you can buy more of those with a cleaning kit or without. And as you see, this is already put it on the plastic attachment, but I guess you can only buy the cleaning mop without the plastic part. Well, here we are. We have the power cable, and probably as you already expect, this is a simple power cable. Is just going to be plugged to the power station, and that will do the job. Yeah, it's simply enough. I don't think it's going to need more than that length of the cable, because of course the power station you'll use it close to a socket, and as I already said, this is the vacuum cleaner. As you already see, it's quite large as a size, and it has this rubbery part which will do the most of the job. I honestly loved how it worked and how he actually planned his activity in each of the rooms that I put it, or even if I let him do the cleaning on a larger surface, all those two brushes were everything that I need, and the quality of the result was up to the expectation. Yeah, of course, like I said, it's really a large vacuum cleaner, robot vacuum cleaner. Yeah, okay. And that's the actual power charging part. I will put it back in place. So if you want to buy this, I recommend you buying it. It's a good robot vacuum cleaner. I like it. I will be using it in my own house. I will not return it. This is one of the products that I really liked, and I would recommend this to you too. Thank you for watching, and as always, support me by subscribing to this channel, and see you on the next video. Bye!